Mobile game, blockchain unicorn Animoca Brands uses the latest fund to target open virtual world investors. Hong Kong-based mobile gaming and blockchain startup Animoca Brands is seeking another round of funding as advised to compete in the metaverse, its president said. "We're going to raise our next round right now, so at a higher valuation obviously," said October Auyang on Tuesday. "So a lot of my life right now is just seeing investors. And there is a lot of interest." He was speaking on a panel at the Cyberport Venture Capital Forum. During another panel discussion, Auyang said he was looking for investors who believe in an open metaverse, describing it as one that allows for cross-platform ownership of assets, interoperability, and composability. The latter refers to a system designed with the interrelationships of components in mind. Speaking on the sidelines of Tuesday's event, Auyang said the company needed a new round of fundraising to become a strong player in the metaverse ecosystem. It needed to keep up with the rising valuations of companies it wished to acquire or invest in, he added. "To continue our influence and actually advocating for an open ecosystem, we need to have the same influence on the capital side to make sure we can have the power to deploy capital," he said. "That would not only grow our own philosophy, but also our own universe of ecosystem that we see as a mode of open metaverse." Animoca raised $65 million in a second round of funding in October, with its valuation doubling to more than $2 billion. The startup had raised $138.88 million in a previous round earlier this year, where it was valued at $1 billion, making it Hong Kong's ninth unicorn. Separately, Animoca subsidiary the Sandbox secured $93 million in its Series B fundraising led by SoftBank Vision Fund 2 on Tuesday. It is positioning itself as an NFT-based open metaverse, where users have control over things such as content, economy and governance. NFT, which stands for non-fungible token, is a digital proof of ownership for an asset lodged within a blockchain. The Sandbox is a platform that allows users to create their own games and items, and has a partnership with the South China Morning Post. Hong Kong saw a record amount of venture capital raised, $1.7 billion, in the first 9 months of 2021, according to KPMG China partner Irene Chu, who spoke during the forum. She said global venture capital investments hit a new record in the third quarter, with the amount reaching $171.7 billion across 8,682 deals. Globally, we've seen a very good recovery since the first quarter of this year. Although 2020 seemed to have a bit of disruption, the market has proven to be pretty resilient, Chu said. During his welcoming address, Cyberport chairman Dr. George Lam said the tech hub's startup community has cumulatively raised 18.7 billion Hong Kong dollars so far this year, up from the 13.2 billion Hong Kong dollars in the same period last year. "It's a clear vote of confidence by our investors and a recognition of their high confidence in our startups and their innovative solutions," Lam said.